Hey, I'm Donald Bell for Cool Tools, and in this video I'm going to show you the weird hidden world inside your car door panel and some inexpensive tools that'll help you peek inside. Poking around in your car can potentially compromise your safety, so let me state up front that opening up your vehicle is a project you undertake at your own risk. There's a chance you could disturb an airbag or short out an electrical connection. That said, fixing or upgrading your car yourself is a great and rewarding feeling, and if you have a popular car model, there's a good chance that you can find reliable DIY content online for your specific vehicle. In my case, I've been chipping away at little projects with my van, upgrading the speakers, adding insulation, and putting in sound dampening mats for a quieter ride. As someone who's relatively new to car projects like this, one of the biggest surprises to me is the complex hidden system of plastic fasteners that are used to attach interior panels to the metal frame. The exact type of fastener can change depending on the manufacturer, but the process is often the same. Each panel is like a puzzle that seems impossible to open at first, but by carefully prying at a corner, you can reveal the next step or uncover elements with concealed screws or retaining clips that you have to take out in order to make progress. Fortunately, enough people have done this over the years that there's a pretty standard set of tools for the job. Some are better than others, and there's a lot of inexpensive kits on Amazon that have great ratings but terrible scores on fakespot.com. The one kit that stands out as universally recommended is this one from Tresalto. You get 4 panel removing tools that are made from a sturdy ABS plastic, and you get this long reach metal tool for removing the plastic rivets that most cars use to hold the panel to the metal frame. This one is a lifesaver, and I'll show you why in a minute. First, let's take a look at the panel poppers, and I'm sure a professional could tell you the best use case for each one of these designs, but don't let that be a hang-up. Like I said, every car and every panel is like solving a new puzzle, and you just need to feel out which one of these is going to work best for the task at hand. Some will give you the leverage to yank on a stubborn panel, and some will give you a small, slim point that you can wedge into a tight spot. Once you get some visibility inside your panel, you'll spot the plastic rivets that are holding it in place. You can usually just yank these out with enough force, but you risk damaging the car and the rivets. If you can, use the metal rivet remover to pop these out. Something about the mouth of this tool pinches the rivet in just the right way to make taking it out much easier. As you can imagine, I have a lot of tools to throw at this, but most of them resulted in broken rivets. This thing just eases them right out. It's also handy after you've already removed the panel and there are a few rivets left hanging in the frame. You can use this tool to take them out and place them back on the panel when you're ready to remount it. Now, I thought this rivet removal tool was so cool that I went to see if there's an even better one out there. I found this $9 one made by Aries. The grip is a little nicer, which would be great if you're spending your whole day removing these rivets as part of your job, but it's essentially the same thing. Considering that the Tresalto kit is just $1 more and gives you all of the panel popper tools too, I just go with the kit. Now, if you've made it this far in the video and you're curious about this silver stuff that I'm adding inside my doors, it's called Butyl Mat. I'll leave an Amazon link for it in the description. It's an adhesive rubber mat that absorbs the vibrations from your car body. A big steel container like this creates a lot of ambient rumble when it moves around, and adding a little bit of this to each flat metal surface helps to turn that noise down. So there you go. Those are some tools for peeking inside your car door panels, opening it up, and maybe optimizing it for a quieter ride. You can find links to everything I talked about down here in the description, and you can find thousands of reader recommended tools like these at cool-tools.org.